Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Mukherjee and my topic of presentation is Causes of Disequilibrium in Balance of Payments. The balance of payment account is usually considered to be in equilibrium, but there are several factors which cause disequilibrium in balance of payments, showing either deficit or surplus. The major causes being economic, political, and social in nature. Economic factors constitute to be the major reason for disequilibrium in balance of payments. The main cause is imbalance between exports and imports. Large-scale developmental expenditure or high domestic prices may in turn lead to larger imports, causing disequilibrium in balance of payments. Fluctuations in an economy such as depression or recession may be another reason. New sources of supply and new substitutes may lead to disequilibrium in balance of payments as well. Political factors. History has shown evidences that a country facing political disturbances or chaos will experience a greater amount of instability, which will in turn lead to disequilibrium in balance of payments. The disturbances may result into larger outflow of capital and lesser inflow. Social factors. The world is changing and so is its people. Changes in tastes and preferences of people may be a relevant factor which causes disequilibrium in balance of payments. If a country has high population growth, then this will have a significant impact on its exports and imports, and especially in case of poor countries, this will adversely affect their BOP by increasing their imports and decreasing their exports. Natural causes like famine or any natural calamity may be a reason for disequilibrium in BOP as well, which also leaves a window for other factors like changes in terms of trade and international relations between nations and so on. Thank you very much.